Election Day is 7 weeks from today. 22 News State House reporter Tiffany Chan highlights an important resource that could help you make the most of your votes.
If you're a registered voter in Massachusetts, you can expect to find this red booklet in your mailbox this week. It includes information to help voters make an informed decision in the fall. The Secretary of State's office is mailing out an informational booklet as required under the state constitution. As you flip through the pages, you will find detailed summaries for each of the 4 statewide ballot questions. Now, these are complex and controversial issues, from allowing for an additional slots parlor and charter school expansion to farm animal rights and full marijuana legalization. Secretary of State William Galvin told 22 News the ballot questions and presidential race may lead to a higher voter turnout on November 8th.
In the last 2 presidential cycles, we've exceeded 3 million voters. I'm fully confident we'll at least meet that threshold. It could go higher. This is a very unique presidential election.
Massachusetts is also introducing early voting. Log on to wwlp.com to find out how you can cast your ballot before Election Day. Reporting live from the State House in Boston, Tiffany Chan for 22 News.